Do is prep the pineapple. You want a nice sharp knife, and the longer the better. We're going to take the top off, and then we're just going to discard the top. Don't need the top. And then we're going to take the bottom off. So we're going to top and tail it. It's that lovely pineapple. It's beautiful. There we are. We're going to put it flat on the board, and then we're going to work our way around the pineapple, just skinning it. So I'm going to turn it, again, work around it, go with the pineapple, the shape of the pineapple, just go all the way around. I believe we took all the eyelets out of it. So what you want to do is just go down, and we're going to do into rings. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do them about 1.5 inches thick, so they're pretty thick. That's what size we need them. So we've got 3 decent ones. We're only going to use 1 for this recipe, so you only need 1. But if you're doing it for more people, then you prep more. Centerpiece out, you could do it with a cutter or a knife. You just want to pop it out. Then we've got the centerpiece out there, so we've got a nice ring of pineapple. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.